Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. So I have a little grocery haul for you guys. I haven't done a grocery haul in quite some time, but you guys have asked me to add keto videos in, so I'm going to be adding keto grocery hauls slash meal plans slash meal ideas into my lineup. So I go to the Walmart grocery pickup and I order all my groceries online and I go and pick them up. If you have not tried this, you need to. So something really important for me when I am trying to eat a certain way on a diet, it's really good for me to order online, because when I go in store, I buy impulsively and I will see things in the aisles that will look good and it causes me to stumble a little bit. So that's why I like the Walmart grocery pickup. So if you haven't tried it, there's a link below. You'll get $10 off your first order with the first order that you do. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm going to be making. So I have a few reasons why I rely on the Walmart grocery pickup. One, I'm able to meal prep a lot easier. So I'll just hop on a Pinterest, look at some recipes, and then I'm able to add the ingredients I need. I can go through my cupboards and see what I have. So that really helps in terms of the meal plan process. Two, it's good for me not to be inside the store physically, because I am one, if I shop, I tend to like impulse buy on things that look really good. So if there's like a new snack or a new cereal or a new whatever, I'll go by the aisle and they'll get me. And that's what the grocers want from you. They want you to get into the store and buy more things that you weren't planning on doing. So one, it adds to the expense in your wallet, and two, it gets you off track. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I picked up. If you are new to the Walmart grocery pickup, there's a link below. You can sign up. You'll get a free $10 on your first order. It is a referral link, so when you use that link, I do get $10 too, so it does help with my grocery budget too. So thank you guys so much for using that link, and thank you in advance if you choose to use my link. So let's just hop into it. Okay, so when it comes for breakfast, I tend to do the same thing every day. So I will make eggs and then I will make bacon. However, I am now switching to turkey bacon because I know that the full fat bacon, if I'm eating it every single day, all of that is not going to be good for my heart. So I'm going to be switching over to turkey bacon from now on. So I have some Jennie-O turkey bacon, I have some turkey sausage, and I have some eggs. So this is what I have every single morning for breakfast. And sometimes I will even double up and do this for dinner too if I'm just in a rush. But honestly, you guys, I crave this all the time. So this is what I have. And then with my coffee, I do heavy whipping cream and sugar-free syrup, but I got this from Home Goods. I always get my coffee syrups from Home Goods. And then I also get my olive oil from Home Goods because they have some really nice olive oil and it's less expensive. So this right here was $5.99, and they have some really good flavors. Like sometimes they have sugar-free raspberry, sugar-free vanilla. They have so many different ones, but look for the sugar-free. And the main thing you want to look for is the nutrition fact. So this has 0 carbohydrates, 0 sugar. This is what you want to look for. And then this is the ingredients that are back here. These are the ingredients that are in the syrup. So you definitely want to look for this. I like to make my own whipping cream from Heavy Whipping Cream. I like to make my own whipped cream. So what I'll do is I'll add this into the whipped cream, and it's kind of like a more infused whipped cream. And sometimes I'll just have like a few scoops of whipped cream for like a dessert if I'm craving something really sweet. So there we go. And then for lunch, a lot of times I'll do deli wraps. So I got some butter lettuce, and I also got some roast beef and mustard, and then I got some salami and pepperoni. And then I'm trying this out. This is the Everything Bagel Seasoning. I picked this up. Sometimes for lunches, I'll just do roast beef and like a cheese stick. It just depends on how hungry I actually am that day. So for lunches, it'll just depend on what I want to eat. And then for snacks, I always opt for Colby Jack cheese sticks. So I got the Great Value. And then I also got some broccoli because I'm going to make up some ranch dip. I use sour cream. I don't like mayonnaise, so I always mix mine with sour cream. And then I do have an air fryer that was sent to me a while ago. I just haven't opened it up yet. So I'm going to try some air fried zucchini chips and then dip it with the ranch dressing that I'm going to make. So if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. So yeah, my snacks usually are pretty light. It'll be cheese. A lot of times I'm not even hungry because I get enough fat and protein in my breakfast that it carries me over. So I really don't need snacks. Also, sometimes I will add some peanut butter on the side of my plate for lunch. It just depends, honestly, how hungry I am. That's something that you need to listen to when it comes to the keto diet. You need to listen to your body. And if you're hungry, then make sure you eat. Like, eat until you're full is my motto when it comes to keto. So for dinner tonight, I'm actually going to be making a big batch of jambalaya. So I will go ahead and film a video for you guys to show you guys how I make that. But I have some Italian sausage, cauliflowered rice. I have some onions, some bell peppers. I also have diced tomatoes and tomato paste. And then I also have the stock that I need for it. And then it's always good to have some butter. You can add this into your eggs to get some more fat. And then my husband's not on the keto diet. So this is an easy recipe for me to add some pasta for him. And then I just make like an olive oil sauce with a little bit of butter, olive oil, and garlic. And then I put his jambalaya over some pasta. But for mine, I did it over cauliflowered rice. So this is my Walmart grocery haul. There's some other things I put in here, but it's not keto friendly. So I'm just gonna share with you guys the keto items that I picked up. And yeah, this is what I'll eat off of for about a week. I know it looks like it's a small amount of food, but honestly, this really does carry me over for the whole entire week. So like I mentioned, a lot of times for dinner, I'll opt for eggs and bacon. Sometimes I'm not even hungry for dinner. So a lot of times I'll just kind of skip it and just start my fast. So sometimes I eat 2 meals a day, sometimes I eat 3 meals a day. It just really depends. On nights that I work out, I make sure I get some sort of dinner in me. But honestly, you guys, this is an overview of my diet here. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below letting me know that you liked this video, because if you guys don't like this video, then I'm not gonna add it in my lineup. So you guys are the ones that I am listening to when it comes to my uploads. And in terms of other things that I have in my fridge for keto, like I still have some heavy whipping cream in here. I still have some other staples that I need, like different sauces and seasonings and stuff like that. And I still have some jambalaya that I already made. So yeah, this was my grocery haul. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. And if you guys didn't know, I am off social media until June. I'm taking a full-on fast, 6 months, no Facebook, no Instagram. So if you want to contact me privately, my email's below. Send me an email. You can also subscribe to my blog, because I'm actually blogging my experience off Facebook and Instagram, because I'm really wanting to see like if this is going to help me or not. So I am blogging my experience, and if you guys want to follow along with that, definitely subscribe to my blog. I'll have it linked below. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. And don't forget to sign up for the Walmart grocery pickup if you have it in your area. I would highly suggest it. Once you try it, you'll never go back. You can even add like makeup and some household items into it as well. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.